Choreb Beruach, Sword of the Spirit. Interpreted and narrated by Wendy. Debarim, Deuteronomy Chapter 10. And the children of Yisrael took their journey from Be'erut Beni Yakan towards Mushah. There Aharun died, and there he was buried. Also Elazar his son ministered in the priest's office in his stead. From there they journeyed to Gudgada, and from Gudgada to Yathata, a land of rivers of water. At that time Yahuwah separated the tribe of Lewi to bear the ark of the covenant of Yahuwah, to stand before Yahuwah, to minister to him, and to endow in his name, to this day. For this the Lewi have no part nor inheritance with his brethren. Yahuwah is his inheritance, according as Yahuwah your Elohim promised him. And I stayed in the mount according to the first time, 40 days and 40 nights. And Yahuwah hearkened unto me at that time also. Yahuwah did not destroy you. And Yahuwah said to me, Arise, take your journey before the people, that they may go in and possess the land, which I swore to their fathers to give to them. Now, Yisrael, what does Yahuwah your Elohim require of you, but to revere Yahuwah your Elohim, to walk in all his ways, and to love him, and to serve Yahuwah your Elohim with all your heart and with all your soul, to keep the commandments of Yahuwah and his customs, which I command you this day for your good. Behold, the heavens and the heavens of the heavens belong to Yahuwah, your Elohim, the earth with all that is in it. Surely Yahuwah had delight in your fathers to love them. Therefore he chose their seed after them, you above all people, as this day. Therefore circumcise the foreskin of your heart, and do not be stiff-necked any more. For Yahuwah, your Allahi ha'Elohim, deity of deities, and Adonai ha'Adonim, Lord of lords, the great all, is mighty and fearsome, not regarding people nor taking bribes. He does justice for the fatherless and widow. Also, he loves the immigrant by giving him food and clothes. Therefore, you love the immigrant, for you were sojourners in the land of Mitzrayim. You shall revere Yahuwah your Elohim. Him you will serve, and unto him you will cleave and swear by his name. He is your praise, and he is your Elohim, who has done for you these great and terrible things, which your eyes have seen. For your fathers went down into Mitzrayim with 70 people. Now Yahuwah your Elohim has made you like the stars of the heavens for multitude.